Hello friends, welcome back to Microsoft Excel learning series. So today we will discuss how to put currency symbol against your amounts. So for this illustration, I have created a simple table where I have two columns, name and amount. So these amounts, as you can see, these amounts are not preceded with any kind of currency symbol. So how you can add currency symbol to it? You have to select it. Then in the home tab, by default home comes in this page Excel. So you have to go to this section. Then you can select currency. So when you select currency, you can see that the by default currency, what is getting shown in the drop down is dollar. You can change it to any other currencies as well. For example, dollar to Indian rupee, or you can change it to pound or euro or any other currencies like Chinese or something. So if you want to change it to rupee, just change it to rupee. Then you see that this 10,000 amount is coming with a preceded rupee symbol. So this thing you can apply to all other cells as well. So select and then click on format painter, and then you can drag it. So see, all these amounts are showing with the rupee symbol. Now if you want to add these amounts, suppose you want to make total, so you write total and then you have to sum these amounts. So you write equals to sum function you can use, and then you can select 10,000, 15,000 and 20,000. So effectively it is C5 cell to C7 cell and then end the bracket. See, the sum is coming as 45,000 rupees. So this is how we can add rupee symbol with our amounts and also can sum it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this has helped you to get new tips in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. Please follow this page if you like. Thank you.